Hello and welcome to today's question. Let us solve for the value of x. Nine raised to the power x plus 9 raised to the power x plus 9 raised to the power x equals 9, 9, and 9. Okay, so from the left-hand side, we can factor out 9 raised to the power x, and this becomes 1 plus 1 plus 1 equals 9, 9, and 9, right? So if we add these up, we get times 3 equals 999. Right, so we're looking for the value of x, so we need to try to get rid of 3. So if we divide both sides by 3, we can get rid of 3. 3 here is 1, 3 here is 3, 3, and 3. Okay, so now we have 9 raised to the power x is equal to 3, 3, 3. Now 9 is the same thing as 3 raised to the power 2. Okay, so this becomes 3 raised to the power 2 x equals 3, 3, and 3. We know that a raised to the power mn is the same thing as a raised to the power mn. Okay, so let's apply this to the left hand side. So left hand side becomes 3 raised to the power 2x equals 3, 3, and 3. Now the next thing to do would be to supply log to both sides. So we supply log 3 raised to the power 2x equals log 3, 3, and 3, right? So log of a raised to the power b is equal to b log a. So let's write the left-hand side in the form of our log equation. So left-hand side becomes 2x log 3 equals log 3, 3, and 3. Okay, so now we divide through by log x. Log 3. Divide through by log 3. Log 3 cancels out. Now, moving over to the right-hand side, 333 is the same thing as 3 times 111. Okay, so now we have log 3 dot 1, 1, and 1, all divided by log 3. So here we have 2x equals log a plus, log of a dot b is the same thing as log of a plus log of b. So let's apply that formula to the right hand side. So here we have 2x equals log 3 plus log 111 divided by log 3. So let us separate the fractions, okay? Or separate the right hand side into separate fractions. So here we have log 3 divided by log 3 plus log 111 divided by log 3. Log 3 cancels out here, and so we have 2x is equal to 1 plus log 111 divided by log 3. Okay, so what are the factors of 111 that can help us, cancel out log 3? So let's see. If we divide 111 by 3, what do we get? 3 here is 1, 3 here is 2, or let's say 3. That's 9. Remainder 2. 3 and 21 is 7. So we have 3 and 37, 2 factors. Okay, right. So Now we have 2x equals 1 plus log of 3 times 37 divided by log of 3. So we're going to do exactly the same thing that we did earlier. It will become log of 3 plus log of 37 divided by log of 3. And we separate into standalone fractions. We have log of 3 divided by log of 3 plus log of 37 divided by log of 3. So log 3 cancels out. And what we have is 1 plus 1 plus log 37 divided by log 3. So if we add these up, we have 2 plus log 37 divided by log 3. 37, I don't think it has any other factor apart from itself and 1. So it stays that way. But we have our log rule that states that log of A divided by log of B is log of A base B. So let's apply this to the log that we have on the right hand side. So it becomes 2 plus log 37 base 3. Okay, so what do we do next? To find the value of x, we divide both sides by 2. So if we divide through by 2, divide through by 2, 2 cancels out. So what we have is x equals 2 plus log 37 base 3 divided by 2. And we can write this as 2 over 2 standalones plus half log of 37 base 3. Okay, this cancels out. So here we have that x is equal to 1 plus half log 37 base 3. Okay, right, so this here is our final answer. All right, so now we've gotten our final answer. Let us try to verify that this answer is the correct answer. So to verify, we have 9 raised to the power x plus 9 raised to the power x plus 9 raised to the power x. We're trying to see if that's going to be equal to 999. So we have that 9 raised to the power 1 plus log 37 base 3 divided by 2. Oh, sorry. Divided by 2 plus 9 raised to the power 1 plus log 37 3 divided by 2 plus 9 raised to the power 1 plus log 37 3 divided by 2. Let's see if that's going to be equal to 999. Okay, now let us rewrite what we have on the left hand side. But first, we know that a raised to the power m plus n is the same thing as a raised to the power m dot a raised to the power n. Okay, so using this formula, let's rewrite the left hand side. Left hand side becomes 9 raised to the power 1 times 9 raised to the power log of 37 base 3 divided by 2. Put that in brackets, plus it's going to be the same thing as well. 9 raised to the power 1, 9 raised to the power log of 37 3 divided by 2. plus 9 raised to the power 1, 9 raised to the power log of 37, 3 all divided by 2 equals 999. Okay, we know that 9 is the same thing as 3 raised to the power 2. Okay, so now we have 9 times 3 raised to the power 2 log of 37 base 3 all divided by 2. If we factor everything out, it will be times 3. And that's going to be equal to, see if that's going to be equal to 999. Okay, so now we have 9 times, this 2 cancels out. We have 9 times 3 raised to the power log of 37 base 3 times 3. Let's see if it's going to be equal to 999. Now we know that a raised to the power log of b base a is equal to b. So now this now becomes 9 times 37 times 3. Okay, it's 37 times 9. 9 times 7 is 63, carry 6. 9 times 3 is 27, plus 6 is 33. Okay, so now we have 333 times 3. And 999 is equal to 999. So now we see that our left-hand side is equal to our right-hand side. Therefore, our value of x, which is this, is the correct answer. Okay, so thank you for watching today's video. I hope you've learned 1 or 2 things. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe, share, like the video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Take care, and bye-bye.